If you want to turn off the Grammarly browser extension, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to disable Grammarly in your browser so it stops checking your text while you browse. This is useful if Grammarly is distracting you, slowing things down, or you just want to pause it for a while. If this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or another browser where Grammarly is installed. Once the browser is open, look at the top of the screen in the browser toolbar. You should see the Grammarly icon there. It usually appears near the other extension icons, so take a moment to find it if you don't see it right away. After you locate the Grammarly icon, right-click on it. On some browsers, this may open a small menu with a few options for the extension. From that menu, click Manage Extension. This will take you to the Grammarly extension settings page, where you can control whether the extension is enabled or disabled. On the extension page, look for the blue toggle next to Grammarly. This toggle is what keeps the extension turned on. To disable it, simply click the blue switch. Once you do that, the toggle should turn off, and Grammarly will no longer be active in your browser. At that point, the extension has been successfully turned off. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can return to the same page and switch the toggle back on. This is a very quick way to pause Grammarly without uninstalling it completely, which is great if you only need it turned off temporarily. And that's it. You've now turned off the Grammarly browser extension. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.